a bajillion tabs open on your desktop. So let's share my screen and share here. All right, so I'm in Chrome. As you can see, the only thing I have up is my Pandora 80s Pop Radio, Hall & Oates. Anybody heard of them? So if you want to not have so many tabs up, what you can see here is the favorites bar that's down here. So I used to have a bunch of different things in there. Wasn't super organized. I would use it as a parking lot for any crap I had to do. But now I use it as kind of a parking lot for any crap I have to do, but it's a more organized parking lot. The lines are nice and straight. No one's parking crooked. It's early, sorry. So if you want to, so you can see I have normal tabs here. So my web PT, that's just, I mean, I'm in there a lot. So that's just one tab that I have open a lot. So that's just on its own. But if you look through here, if you click on here, then you can see all my meeting agendas are in here. NLPT stuff, ultimate guide. So this is the magazines that I'm creating. So I'm in there a ton. Facebook Messenger, so the new Facebook Messenger campaign I'm running with Robbie. So these are all the resources that I have for that. Different projects and next action. So if you guys have not read Getting Things Done, I highly suggest that. Man, it took me like 3 times to read that book before I'm like, huh, yeah, this is good stuff. Okay, so these are just kind of things I have to make decisions on in next actions. Usually within the last week, I like to clear this out by the next week. So example is, I've got to decide between call fire and call rail. So it's a call tracking that I'm using for my SEO to kind of track that, but also to track individual responses in marketing. Anyway, it's 2 services very similar. I've got to decide which one I want to use. So I've got that kind of in my next actions. And then I got my marketing calendar up here. I could start putting stuff into marketing folders, but I want to show you how to make these folders, because what happens is I can't fit all this stuff into my favorites bar. It gets too full. And then if you go over to here, this will show you like my other stuff that I have going on. So this is Precision Nutrition. This is Voxer. This is a marketing examples. It's a blog layout that I really liked. Anyway, you run out of that. So if you want to create a new tab, so let's say I wanted to create a new folder that had all of the websites that I want for music, right? So let's do that. So I'll right click here and you'll see the add folder. Okay, so now here it tells me kind of where it's the folders in my bookmarks bar. So let's just put music. All right, and we'll save there. And let's see where that went. Okay, perfect. It went all the way down here. So whatever the newest, whether you put a folder in or just a regular website you wanted to bookmark, it'll put all the way at the bottom. So if I want to move this, then all I do is kind of hover over it and I just left click on it. And now this is on Mac, but I think it's going to be pretty similar on PC. So I just grab that and then I can drag it to wherever I want. And that little bar kind of goes left, right. So I'll put that at the end of my folders. All right, perfect. So now I've got music there. So there's nothing in it. So I've got my Pandora here open. So let's go, I go to bookmark and then I bookmark this tab. And it's gonna give me options on where to put this tab. So here's where you can name it. So this has got like 80s pop radio, whatever. So you could actually, you could leave that there if you always wanted 80s pop radio, but I'm just gonna put Pandora. Oops, hold on, let's see. Pandora in bookmarks bar. So you got to change this here. So I don't want a bookmarks bar. I want it in music. All right, now that's selected there and done. So let's say I wanted to put, let's go with Spotify. See what happens here. This is an ad for Spotify. So now I'm not sure if I click the right one. Hopefully it'll bring me to Spotify. Spotify Premium. Now let's go back. I just want regular Spotify. Spotify, don't click the ad up top here, click the regular one. And now at the regular one. Okay, so now I want to bookmark this, right? So bookmark, and then bookmark this tab, and now I got to put it in the right spot. Now it will default to the last one you did. So there's music there, but if you want to put this somewhere else, here's where all my folders are. So these are all the folders, right? And then it says bookmarks bar. If you just wanted to do bookmarks bar, then it would just drop it in your bookmarks bar. So let's just do that so you can see in case something gets messed up. So we'll put this in bookmarks bar, and I'm just gonna call it Spotify. Okay, done. And now where did it go? I don't see it up here because I've got too many in my bar. So if I go here and then I go to Spotify, now what I can do is I can drag this over to my music and put it in there. So now when I open music, I've got Pandora and Spotify in there. So you can do that. I do this with like meeting agendas is really important. Like I have a couple different companies, right? So I have stuff for NLPT. I got stuff for specific projects that I'm working on right now. Like the Robbie Facebook Messenger project is really important. So I've got that stuff up there. However you want to organize it. But hopefully that helps. Hopefully that keeps you from having a million tabs open. Arlen, I'm watching you, buddy, because I know you have a million tabs open right now. I challenge you to make this happen and send us a screenshot inside of Voxer to show us that you did it. All right, guys, I hope you have a great Sunday. I'm gonna go on a hike in a little while, and the weather's gonna be amazing here. So I'm gonna get some work done outside and have a great weekend. Talk to you guys soon.